Right, in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you how to get the curve interpenetration on this front view, and I'm going to be showing you how to get the ellipse on this top view over here. Alright, first of all, you start out and you draw the auxiliary view of the circle over there and the auxiliary view of the circle over there. Very importantly, break it up into the 12 and you start your numbering with 1 on this top edge over here. Okay, so that point over there would be point 1 over there. Your numbering on this circle over here, you start with point 1 over there, not somewhere over there. It's going to be at that point over there. Why? Because point 1 must be situated somewhere along that line. Right. You're going to number this in a clockwise direction. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going all the way through to 12. And over here, also clockwise, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going round to 12. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to label these, getting the numbers off my auxiliary view. So number 1 is along that line. Number 2 and number 12 is on that line. Number 3 and 11, 3 and 11, number 4 and 10, number 9 and 5, number 8 and 6, and number 7 at the bottom over here. Right. Once I've got all of those numbers on those points that I got off this auxiliary view, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw lines coming down from those points so that it links up with these lines coming across from these numbers over here. Right, so number 1, there's number 1 over there, it's coming across, and it's going to link up with number 1 coming down over here. So there's point number 1. Point number 2, there's point number 2 coming down. Where's point number 2 over here? Take it across, there's point number 2. Number 12, we can do the same thing, coming down, there's number 12 coming across, there's number 12. So I've got 2, I've got 12. I've got 3, I've got 11. I've got 4, and I've got 10. I've got 5 and 9. So 5 over here. 5 coming down, there's 5 and 9. I've got 6 and 8, 6 and 8, and I've got number 7 over there. Right, once I've got all those points, I can now draw in this ellipse, okay? Just a nice freehand curve going around here. Bumping around, get all those points nicely linked up. Just use a little dotted line just to start with, just to give you your reference. And once that's in place, you can darken that in nice and dark. Right, you could use a French curve for that. Right, once you've got that, I can now take lines going across from there and from there, in order to give you basically what the question originally asked. Okay, what I now need to do is to try and find that curve of interpenetration over here. We can see that this line 1 over there, it intersects on that corner over there. If I take it up, well, that point over there would be point 1 where it intersects. Then I say, okay, point 2 intersects at that point over there. I'm going to take a line up, and I'm going to find where the line coming from point 2 is, and I'm going to label that point 2. I'm going to go to point 3, take that across, take that up, and there is point 3. Point 4, take that across, there it intersects over there, take that up, and there's point 4 over there. Point 5, take it across, intersects at that point over there, take it up, there's point 5, over there. 0.5 coming across. 0.6, same story, take it across, take it up, intersects with this line coming from 0.6, and I've got 0.6 over there, and obviously 0.7 is on the same point over there, so I take that up and I have 0.7. Right, if I look carefully, let's go with these numbers over here. 7, number 8, take that across. You should find that 8 links up exactly on the same point as number 6. So there's number 8. Number 9, take that across, and that should link up directly on top of number 5. Number 10, take that across, and you should find that that links up exactly on the same point as number 4. So there's 4 and 10. Number 11, take that across, take that up. 11 will intersect on the same point as number 3. Number 12, take it across, take it up, and you find that it is on top of point number 2. Right, once I've got those points in place, I can now come over here and I can do my curve of interpenetration, which goes up like that. It's a little bit down and around. Now I'm going to draw it in dark, but I need you to understand that the numbers that you are actually able to see on this side are these numbers over here: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, going up to 1. Those are the numbers that you're actually seeing. These numbers at the back here would actually be in hidden detail if this line wasn't in place. Right, that is the end of doing the curve of interpenetration and the ellipse for that view.